Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I recently just won a giveaway from the fabulous Alisha Martin. She is a fellow YouTuber. For those of you who don't know her, I would highly recommend you go check out her channel. She does every kind of boxings you could probably imagine. She gets food boxes, she gets clothing boxes, she gets lifestyle boxes, she gets beauty boxes. She's a really cool, down-to-earth lady to listen to. She's very pleasant. She's a mom, a teacher. She's out there in California with her husband. So definitely go check out her channel. She has a lot of good content, and she even does cooking videos too. So definitely go check her channel. And before I show you what's in the box, oh, and I will leave a link to her channel right up here too. Just go click on that, and also in the description box. Now I went ahead and pre-cut this open, and Alisha, I wanted to show you why. Do you see how damp this box is? This box, my mailman's usually awesome, and he leaves the box right where I always, because I get a lot of boxes, of course. But I think we had a replacement mailman the day yours come, because he came late at night and left this on the porch, and it was raining all night. So I went ahead and cut this open, and thank goodness you wrapped everything so well. So it looks like everything got nicely protected because you actually wrapped stuff in plastic. So good job on that. And so I just wanted to say thank you for doing that, because this box was put through the ringer. It was soaking wet. When we picked it up, water was just running off of it. And I'm like, oh no. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go through and show you guys what I won. Like I said, go check out her channel. She's really a fabulous down-to-earth lady. And since I started YouTube, me and her connected, and I have watched so many of her videos. She's just one of my favorite people to watch on YouTube. She's really just a really cool lady. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see what she sent me, shall we? All right, so we're going to start with the first thing out, which I know what this is. This is NeoCell Collagen Peptide. This is collagen powder, and we get the same box. What box did this come in? Oh, I know it. Test Tube Beauty. And I absolutely love this stuff. So I am so happy you sent this to me. So thank you. I'm almost done with my first tub. I enjoy this. I think it tastes kind of good too. It kind of tastes like candy, and it's collagen at the same time. Now it says on this is just, I'm going off on a tangent right here, but you're supposed to mix this with water. It's a powder, and I forget the pomegranate Akia flavor. You're supposed to mix it with water, but I don't do that. I just take the little tablespoon and I just eat it. It's like little candy, and it's good for your skin. So there, that's what I end up doing with it. So thank you. Let's see what else we got here. This is Recover Active Turmeric and Green Tea Extracts. 10 single serve packets. Superfood elixir. Just add water. Just add to water or milk. Huh. So turmeric, you know, one of my favorite drinks in this world is golden milk, and I love turmeric. And this is a powerful adaptogen, eases pain and inflammation, anti-aging, enhanced brain function. Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you very much. So yeah, it looks like some tea. So I'll be drinking this at night too. So thank you very much. And see how she wrapped everything so lovely for me? Thank you very much. This says, in case it leaks, and this is moisturizing body spray. It didn't leak, but it got leaked on, so either way, it's good that you did that. And I remember when she opened this, I can't remember what box this come out of, but this is Love Potion number 909, moisturizing body spray. So yes, ma'am. I will take that for sure. And my cat's over there acting up again, trying to make a star appearance again on the show. All right, very moisturizing. It's soaked in very nicely, so I'm happy about that. Really, thank you for the good packaging, because you do not know how wet this got. And look at this, you can't even tell it got wet at all. So, and she just put this in this cute little satchel. So adorable. So what do we got here? We got Sugar Violets, and this is Wicked Good Perfume Absolute. Huh, so it's probably part of the same bag that came out of this. It looks very Halloween-y. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, you know when you smell something and you like it, you just got me. Very good scent. I don't know what that scent is, but my nose was happy. Does it say? It says, oh, what's it say? The print is way too small. I cannot read it. But it smells lovely. Just take my word for it. And We got Glow Skin Beauty. It's probably a lippy. Oh, and a nice bright red. Yes, I'm wearing more wines and reds now, so thank you very much for that. We'll put that right there. And we got more, folks. And this one, she's got really super nicely wrapped in a plastic in this purple satchel. Exfoliating foot peel. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Looks like 2 of them in here, too. And they're, oh, 3. Wow. Treat your feet. Rich in alpha hydroxy acid, which is awesome. I use that on my face. Extracted from vegetables, fruit, milk, and other natural foods. Oh, it's contrived from foods. Works to remove hard calluses and dead skin and boosts the rejuvenating process while moisturizing and nourishing your feet for a silky feel. So it looks like it actually has like little sockies in here. So you just put them on your foot and you probably just put your feet up and relax for a little bit. Very, very good. I don't see how long it says. Oh, wait, here it says. Fasten outside of socks by stick or on top of the socks. Allow treatment to work for 60 to 90 minutes, then remove. I'll put them on before I go to bed and then put some socks on too. I'll have really some soft feet. Okay, we'll just put that one right there. We'll put these right here. And then, oh, look at this bag. Oh, how cute, little spider web, so Halloween-y. And I already got rid of all my Halloween stuff. Aw, this would be perfect. Oh, but it looks like we got a lot of little makeups in here. Okay, let's open this. Little Fairy Tale Shadow Palette. Oh, look at these colors, guys. Wow, those are some fall colors. Oh, and by the way, speaking of eyeshadow palettes, I also want to give a shout out to Dutch Monique. I was watching her channel this morning, and I will link her channel up here. If you're listening, you inspired me today. And the reason that you inspired me was because I have all these eyeshadow palettes, and I never wear eyeshadow. It's just something, I skip it. It's like, I can't wear eyeshadows on a daily basis. Like I'm waiting for this special occasion or something, you know? And she was talking about she has so many eyeshadow palettes that she takes, and I think it was 14 days, and she will use an eyeshadow palette for 14 days. So she inspired me this morning. Let me show you my eye look. I am not a professional eye makeup person, so take it for what it's worth. But nonetheless, I pulled out an eyeshadow palette and I put some on. This one I think was a Morphe that my daughter ended up getting. But I have a whole bunch, and I'm going to start wearing some eyeshadow. Like, what am I waiting for? Till I'm dead? Let's use the makeup. Like, why does there have to be a special occasion? Does anybody else do that, or is that just me? I don't know why I do that. But okay, rant over. Thank you, Dutch Monique. Go check her channel out too. She's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go on to more. So now I'll have more palette to put on. And this is OMFG Creation Highlighting Palette. So, ooh, good. Whole bunch of makeup. So let's see what this one looks like. Oh, ooh, lovely. Look at that shade. Comes with a little powder puff too. I'm just going to run my finger over it. Oh, that would look good on the top of my, like right under my brow right here. Like, let me see if you can see that. That looks lovely. Here, let me put a little bit on my nose. I don't have a mirror, so I hope it's to give me a little glow. Well, thank you very much. I will definitely be using that. That's a very pretty glow too. That's a nice soft pink color. Okay, let's go back into the little trick or treat bag. Rock Candy Finish Fast Dry Silky Setting Spray. Oh, very, very good. Good. I'm almost out. I'm almost out of my setting spray. Oh, it kind of smells nice too. And I've heard a lot of good things about Rock Candy. I don't have any of that, so thank you very much. And oh, yes, I am just running out of my eyeliner. I was doing my makeup this morning, my eye makeup, and I'm like, this is the same exact one I have, and it's getting dry. Perfect timing. Yes, indeed. Okay, this looks so cute. This is so Halloween-y. Look at that. Look at that packaging. Wow. I remember her doing this, but I don't remember the name of the company. Oh, I'm just going to have to rip it open. I remember seeing this, though. Oh, that's a lovely, lovely color. That will get a lot of use. It's called Medusa's Makeup. See? Medusa. And the color is called Sugar Daddy. Yeah, I would like to have a sugar daddy, but I love my husband. I don't need no sugar daddy. I'm just joking. I'm just having fun. Okay, we'll put that there. Thank you. And more lovely Halloween packaging. So we'll put that right there along with that. And we'll put that back in the box. And then it looks like we have something else right here. Viola Van. And this is facial cupping set. Oh, I have seen this before and I have been wanting to try this. Oh, I might have to do a review on this. I have seen people do cupping. It's very interesting to me, but I have never personally tried it. The writing's really hard. It's very lightly, it's written in white and it's hard for me to see, but there are instructions. And this is a facial cupping set. So it does have, I'm just going to have to get my magnifying glass on that because my vision sucks so bad. But yeah, I might end up doing a product review on this because this sounds really something unique and interesting and nothing I've ever done. And I haven't seen too many people do anything on YouTube like this with a facial cupping. So I think that would make a good product review. So keep an eye out for that because I'm probably going to do that. So you just gave me another video, Alicia, so thank you very much. And then she has something called, oh my, okay, come on. Okay, for those of you who don't know, I took a 30-day break from YouTube and did no social media. And look what she sent me. It's called Unplug, a 30-day digital detox. And this comes from TheraBox. Oh, how funny. Oh, so it probably has some, looks like cards. Oh, and it gives you ideas of what to do on day one. Like on day one, make your room a tech-free zone for 24 hours. Oh, and then it has, oh, that would have been so cute. Thank you, Alicia. Well, hey, I'm still going to read this. And I feel it was a very positive experience for me. I did not stay 100% tech-free, but I stayed very highly tech-free. I did a lot of alone time, a lot of paint my numbers. I've told you guys about it, so I'm not going to go on repeat, but I think it was a positive experience for me overall. It's just a reminder that sometimes let's not get too caught up in this electronic iPhone, YouTube, even though it's fun, it's fabulous, but you know, we need to all stay balanced in life. And I liked my alone time, and I think it helped me get alone and get in touch with some more of my thoughts and feelings. So that was perfect. So thank you, Alisha. Okay. Ooh, this feels nice. This isn't no plastic stuff here. Oh boy, this is really nice. And it feels like something's in here too. Who is this even from? But this feels very luxurious. Okay, she's got something else. Oh, a little change purse that comes with this. Oh, wow. Look at that. That would be perfect. That would fit my iPhone. Go to the store, out the door. Yes. And then she has something attached here. Oh, this is an earring subscription. I remember this one too. And I don't know how you got that on there, but thank you. This is something I will be using quite a lot of. So thank you very, very much. Oh, and you know, I just also wanted to share some thoughts with you, Alisha. I won a giveaway from her a long time ago. I think it was like last year. And she sent me these bento boxes. It was one of the items that I won in your giveaway. I use those every single day. I don't even know if you remember them. They were gray and they came with lids and you wrap them. I like making these protein shakes, and I shake them up real good, and then I pour it in there and I put them in my freezer. And it kind of turns my protein shake into like a dessert, like an ice cream. And your bento boxes that you sent me are perfect for that. So I use those every day. One of your necklaces you've probably seen me wear in many of your videos. I wear those all the time. So there is still a lot of nice things. That dough cutter, I've used that. The, what do you call that? Where you put things on your table. It's like an X and you put hot plates on it. I can't think of the name of it, but I use that all the time too. So I'm very appreciative of the stuff you have sent me. And okay, now you're gonna see me wearing some earrings. So these are from her recent video. I remember watching her unbox these, and these were from the company Lemmy, and they're like little U's. Yeah, let me put them in right now. Voila! So what do you guys think? I bet it shows up really good against the darkness of my hair. I like that size, and they're not heavy at all, so I really appreciate that. And it looks like, oh, these are going to be super light. Oh, I should have put one in one ear. I didn't even notice. I thought this was going to be a necklace. Oh, these are so tribal. Like, I'm sure this would look cute with the right outfit. Oh my goodness. Well, let me just make sure that's everything. Yes, she had everything nicely wrapped and packaged. So as you guys can see, she sent me some wonderful, wonderful, beautiful items. Thank you so much. You really sent me some lovely items, and I'm going to do this facial cupping on a video for sure. That's super interesting to me, and thank you. I'm really happy about that. I know that's a really good product and good for your skin and the turmeric. Well, thank you for all of it. I really love this, and I'm so appreciative. You really put together a lovely pack, a lovely box. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye.